Hi folks, thanks for tuning in again. If this is not your first time, if this is your first time, this is an Akiya vacant house renovation in rural Japan. So right now I decided to get up on the scaffolding and the ladder from the workers to just kind of check out the loft. So I'm over here kind of admiring the woodwork and everything that the carpenters have been doing. Right now it is 18 June, so happy Father's Day for fathers around the world that celebrate Father's Day on this day. And so we should be done with the renovation. We're looking at 9 July, according to Kayaki-san, our builder. So please stay tuned for that. Plan on doing a live stream. So yeah, let me go ahead and turn around and kind of give yet again another quick update. I'm trying to do this once a week since we're getting close to the end. But throughout the house, you have a whole lot of shikui plaster preparation going on, the sheetrock. We still need to do the kitchen, the toilets, the island, and the fireplace. Those are the main things. But after that, we're kind of getting pretty darn close. So yeah, let me go ahead and walk around and show you some more. Yeah, so as I covered before, so this is the loft, and mainly for the girls. We have two twin granddaughters that currently, my son-in-law is in the Navy and is stationed in Japan. And so since we live here as well, we figured that while they're still young, let's go ahead and build a little loft for them. And then it will also serve as storage. But over there in the far end is where the cubbyhole entrance is. It's not the best. But yeah, it's just kind of neat, I guess, having incorporated the loft. The woodwork done in the loft is just impressive to me. I mean, you got these big beams, the thick wood floor, the way it's the pegs are incorporated into the existing beams of the house right here. It's just really cool. I mean, it just adds different character to the house. There you can see the other, how it was incorporated, because it's kind of a floating loft. And so yeah, there's really not much space here. I guess right here in the middle, I could kind of stand, but again, it's not necessarily for us. But we will have fans, and as far as the air conditioning, the heat and cold, that's a little concern for sure because it's a little bit open, but we will see. Let's see how it goes. The good thing about here in Japan, good and bad, I guess, is that there's no central air. So you can just keep on adding different air conditioner units as needed. So we purchased a rather large one for this area. So hopefully it does the job. If not, we're just gonna have to adjust from there. I was just noticing right now, again, the peg work, how it was incorporated into the old beams. That's, you know, again, really cool. We're probably gonna have like some nice soft mattresses and the bean bags and stuff like that. Just kind of make it really fun. There's gonna be some railing over there to keep them from falling off. And maybe even want to pull down screen, a projector, so kind of like a little movie theater in here. So yeah, I mean, they are our granddaughters, and that's what grandparents do. We spoil them, right? All right, let me go ahead and walk around through the rest of the house. Yeah, while I'm at it, at a little higher point, right now I'm sitting on the scaffolding and kind of taking a view of what the Titania Room would be right here. Just the other day, we picked out the Titania Room floor color. It is not the old style made out of straw. It's made out of washi, the Japanese paper. So that's a little bit different, I guess, to me. But I personally like the smell of tatami, but a lot of people do not. But this is kind of a little bit odorless. And so panning over to the bedroom area right here. And again, when we're in the bedroom, we'll be able to kind of see the beams and the woodwork from here. Yesterday, we spent the entire day shopping for curtains in Hiroshima. Yeah, One thing I definitely want is a nice blackout curtain because there's lots of light in here. Not the most enjoyable thing for me to do, shop for curtains, but we will be installing them. And I did not consult with my brother, but a shout out to him. He has a business in Austin, Texas, doing that type of work, custom blinds and curtains and stuff like that. So if you're in the area, please check him out. I'll provide here the link to his business. American dream story. Him and my sister-in-law came from Mexico and worked their way up and established several successful businesses there in Austin, Texas. So yeah, again, please check them out. Yeah, so this entire week, the folks have been very busy preparing for the shikui plaster along the walls. You can kind of see some of it already going on, and as covered before, it's already complete for the most part upstairs. Let me just go ahead and peek up. Ooh, wow, that's what it looks like from here, from the stairs. Wow, really cool. I really like how the white pops out with the beams. That was kind of the whole point when we did all this. I can just visualize it, and now it's all coming to life. Again, beams exposed with the white ceiling, white shikui. As discussed before, we were debating whether we were going to put all wood such as this right here throughout the ceiling, which was an option, but I kind of wanted these beams here to be exposed or to pop, right? So we opted to just go ahead and add this little strip right here so we can have some of that cool look, but then also just kind of go with the shikui plaster, and also it's a little bit cheaper. Yeah, one of the things that we're doing yesterday in Hiroshima as well is looking for light fixtures. We already got some of these lights for here, the 2 Edison hanging lights. We're going to incorporate there, but we need to hurry up and purchase the rest. Here we're planning on putting track lighting so that we can adjust the lights and make it brighter as we're cooking and preparing here. And also while we're at the store, I found these lights that has incorporated a little fan. So I was telling Choco that we're probably gonna put one here and then also in the kitchen annex, the pantry, so that it's maybe like right up in there, obviously, and so that you have little airflow. Steve from Renovate Japan suggested that we incorporate an exhaust, which is definitely not a bad idea, but by the time we got that, it was already kind of, I'll say too late, but kind of too late, because all the work is already pretty much done right here. So I really didn't want to interrupt what was going on. So we'll go with this, see how that goes. There she is. Another thing that was incorporated last week, and quite frankly, I was not expecting it, is this framework right here. So obviously it's out of place because it's not something that you're normally put there. But the reason why that is put in place because to reinforce the house, because it was opened up quite a bit. So then afterwards, we sent Gax on the text that, can you please incorporate a little shelf here, another one there, and another one to the lower right there. That way, at least we can use it as to put pictures and flowers and stuff like that. So kind of make it functional. Let me go ahead and check out and see what's going on in the laundry room and whatnot. Maybe still about the same. Yeah, so pretty much the preparation for the shikui, the double sinks that are going to go right here in place. And yeah, same. So I say by next week, this should be pretty much done. Again, really impressed with the woodwork here. Before I discussed that they put this little shelf for folding clothes and just putting stuff on there. They already incorporated the sides, and there's going to be some shelving unit on the bottom. The sink over there. Folks, it's coming together. It's coming together little by little. Now let me go ahead and walk upstairs real quick. See what it looks like over there. Probably nothing different because for the most part it's already done. But again, just looking at this right here is really cool. Yeah, I'm really liking that. And if you made it this far, thank you very much. And if you've watched before, you know by now that this is my wife's craft room. And looks like it's pretty much done for the most part. Yeah, the wood floor is already here in place, but we can't see it. Bright, beautiful, bright light. And again, shopping for curtains yesterday for these windows as well. It looks like they already put the plaster in the bath, the half bath as well. Wow, really cool. Really, really, really looking forward to this. Folks, if you saw the pictures of what this place looked like before it changed, I can't take credit because I did not do anything other than pay and remove the previous property myself. All this is the construction company that we hired to do this project. Definitely something I would have loved to done myself, but just don't have the time and expertise for this. So I'm definitely happy with the way this is turning out, and this is pretty much how I envisioned it. So yeah, so this is a unique home. You know, but to me, a home is a place that you come and you're happy and enjoy and spend time with family, not just a place that you return to rest after working all day. So this is the whole point of this project. And hopefully we were able to finish up the other remaining projects throughout the house, outside in the yard and everything. So please stay tuned for that. All right, folks, thanks for watching. I will try to provide another update next week. So until we finish this up, until we have our open house, right now scheduled for July 9th through the 17th, and planning on doing the live stream as well. All right, folks, thanks again. If you like what you see, please hit subscribe, like, share, and all that. Thanks. Bye.